అందరికీ శుభోదయం. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu. This video is on professional ethics. It will be a good case study for the final year students. That's why I am making this video. Friends, in the professional ethics class, particularly while dealing with the standards of behavior, rule number 1 says you must have a respectful attitude toward the court. You must keep up the decorum of the court. You are an officer on duty. You are an officer of the court. So it is your duty to maintain the decency and decorum of the court. If you behave in a regular way, if your conduct is highly irregular and not fit to be an advocate practicing in the court, you will be shunted out. I am purposefully using these words. You will be driven out of the court. You will be sent out of the court in simple terms. This is what happened in the Supreme Court of India yesterday. That is on Wednesday 3/12/2025. The bench of Honorable Chief Justice of India and supported Surya ji and supported by Ujjal Bhuyan. They were hearing the matters which are listed before them. At that time, a woman advocate, she came into the well, or she came near the justices, and started wailing or crying. Then the judge asked, "Madam, what happened?" She said, of course, she said wailing something, but anyway, the brief statement is like this. She has got relationship like a brother with a boy in Delhi. That boy was found dead. She says that he was murdered by the relatives in the guest house. At that time, she was away in Mumbai. When she came back, she came to know about the incident. The postmortem was not allowed to be done. That means they say it's a natural death, or he might have committed suicide. Whatever it is, she says that is a murder case. They have to investigate. And the police officer refused to register the FIR. And after her persistent goading, the FIR was registered. But the person who refused to register the FIR, now he is the investigating officer. Therefore, definitely the personal bias and impropriety will be there. Therefore, Honorable Supreme Court is requested to take up the matter, to direct the Commissioner of Police Delhi, to entrust the investigation to some other person and investigate the case properly as directed by the court. That is her grievance. But Honorable Chief Justice Surya, he said, "Madam, you are an advocate. You know the procedure. The listed matters are going on. If you want to say anything, please file an affidavit or file a plaint. We'll look into the matter." Then she said, "I'm in distress mood. I'm in confusion." Then you ask some other member of the bar to assist you. In the meantime, another woman advocate, she has come close to her and she wanted to console her. She requested her to maintain the decorum of the court. You should not do like this. Then she said, no. Then Surya ji, then Ujjal Bhuyan ji, Justice Ujjal Bhuyan, he said, "Madam, it's not the proper way. Please hear what the Chief Justice of India is telling. Go, prepare a draft. Come here. We'll take up the matter if it is necessary. Otherwise, don't disrupt the proceedings." She did not hear. Then the marshals came. Particularly, we have seen the women marshals. The marshals came. And they tried to touch. "No, you don't touch. You are a advocate. How damn woman." She is actually literally threatening them. Anyway, on the orders of the Chief of India, she was removed or escorted out of the court. This is what happened. What you have to learn is behave in a decent manner. No doubt. So many people will happen. For some people, things will be happening. It may happen to you also. But what you have to do? You have to take legal steps. You have to write a draft. You have to request the court. If the time is not there, then you can go and mention before the Chief Justice of India, whoever it is. That is the proper way. Without that, sobbing, weeping, wailing, crying before the judge is nothing but a show of mockery, and ultimately nobody will hear you. That's why document has got much more value than your verbal speech. Remember this and behave in a proper way. For that purpose only, I am making this video. It will be a good study for the final students. When we meet, we will discuss. If not, hear the video and enrich your professional ethical knowledge. With this, I am stopping here. Thank you very much.